So, good morning everyone, and welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how the kitchen turned out. It really turned out great. I'm happy with the way it did. I'm looking forward to making lots of new videos in this. But let's show you first what it looked like before. Hi guys, and welcome to the Cute Kitchen Renovation Edition. As you can see, the kitchen is all tore up right now. Absolutely everything is a complete freaking mess right now. So, we're gonna get ready for lunch tomorrow when... Oh, alright, yeah, well that kitchen was kind of old, so... We want to do it, make it nice, but without breaking the budget, so here's how it turns out now. Here's a quick walk through the new kitchen. To start, we have our ceramic tile floors, nice wood grain look on them. I think it looks pretty sharp. Panning up to our new stove, nice little GE 5 burner with an integrated griddle. New range hood, outside exhaust of course. And the cabinets, we took the original cabinets and painted them. Add some new hardware. It's the original hinges, but I think that sets off nice. They came up really nice. Countertop. Just went with a good quality Formica. And I'm waiting on the rounded edge still. That was on back order. And then our backsplash really looks cool. Have a new under sink light in there too. But you see that's this marble mosaic, which is really, really cool. I think it really adds a lot to it. So we come back around, back to our cabinets. Some new outlets installed. Outlets everywhere. And put full extension rollouts onto the drawers. So there we go. How to turn an old kitchen around pretty quick. Looking forward to having a lot of friends over. There you go. Alright, so thanks for joining us. Please like and subscribe and enjoy. Happy cooking.